See, this is problem number 12 here. Right. Karishma brought a 2 necklace for 1,39,500. So she purchased for 1,39,500 and she sold it for one necklace for 75,000 and second one is for 80,000. So the sum of this is nothing but the selling price. Right, this is going to be the cost price. So we need to find the gain. Gain is equal to what? Selling price minus cost price. So let us check out the cost selling price. Selling price is what? You need to add these two. That is going to be 0, 0, 0, 5, 8 plus 7, 15. That is 1,55,000, right? 1,55,000 minus cost price is 1,39,500. Let us subtract. You are going to get the gain, right? Right. 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 5 is not possible. Take a carry from here. 10 minus 5 is 5, correct? So now this will become 4. So 4 minus 9 is not possible. 14 minus 9 is 5, right? 4 minus 3 is 1 and 1 minus 1 is 0. That is, she made a profit of 15,500. The answer here is B.